Strong winds and flooding from several storms in the US state of Louisiana resulted in large numbers of weather-related emergency calls. The Louis Armstrong International Airport registered wind gusts of 48 miles per hour. The New Orleans area also reported a rainfall of 3.5 inches. Because of the strong winds, homes ended up being torn apart, trees were knocked down into roads and houses, and there was a severe power outage. Meanwhile, heavy rain flooded the streets. Lafourche Parish Fire District reported that they have responded to 19 weather-related emergencies in just 3 hours. Firefighters have reported that it's still not safe to go outside.